Developers just got superpowers. These 5 trending repos prove it. Wait for number 1. Airi is your self-hosted AI waifu companion, a grok-like chatbot that runs locally and can even play Minecraft with you. It offers real-time voice chat, plays games like Minecraft and Factorio, and brings virtual characters to life. Install via Homebrew on macOS or run it anywhere. Built for devs who want their own AI buddy with grok integration. Microsoft's VibeVoice is an open-source frontier voice AI that includes both text-to-speech and speech-to-text models. VibeVoice generates realistic speech from text, transcribes audio up to 60 minutes, and can be fine-tuned for custom voices. Fine-tune VibeVoice ASR using LoRa with your own dataset. Integrates with Hugging Face Transformers and Azure AI Foundry. Faceswap is the go-to open-source deepfake tool using deep learning. Access now requires a GitHub login due to ethical concerns. It recognizes and swaps faces in photos and videos using advanced models like Phase-A and Villain for realistic results. Install via Python, use the GUI or CLI pipeline to extract, train, and convert. Requires CUDA for best performance. ECC is an agent harness performance optimization system that adds skills, instincts, and memory to AI coding agents. It optimizes agent performance with guarded live node qualification, read-only compute handoff, and research-first development. Install via npm and run diagnostics on your harness. Designed for developers using AI agents with Claude, Gemini, and Qwen. Superpowers is a complete development methodology for coding agents using composable skills and automatic red-green refactor TDD. It guides agents through spec writing, implementation planning, and sub-agent-driven development with true TDD and YAGNI principles. Install Superpowers per harness, for Claude Code via Plugin Marketplace or npm for open code. It activates automatically on new projects. Side by side, Faceswap and VibeVoice both do this in Python. Faceswap carries 56k stars, VibeVoice 51k, same problem, 2 different bets. That's all 5, from agent superpowers to AI waifus. Drop a like if you learned something new, and we'll see you in the next video.